Howdy. If you've ever looked into installing a dash cam and thought, no way I'm tearing into all my car's wiring, this video is just for you. Today we're going to check out a simple solution and a clean way to install a dash cam without hardwiring, just plug and play. Thanks to the FitDVR power adapter and their new F3 3-channel dash cam. Let's get into it. FitDVR sent over their power adapter, which connects directly to my rear view mirror's power supply. No splicing, no fuse tabs, super clean. They also included their F3 dash cam, a 3-channel system that records front, inside, and rear views in up to 4K. It even includes GPS, Wi-Fi, and a 64GB memory card installed right out of the box. When you first receive your package, you want to make sure that you're familiar with all the components within the box. Before you install the dash cam, you can actually connect it with a USB-C cord to any power source, and you can test it out. Let's start with the power adapter. The magic behind this simple install. In my 2019 Ford Expedition, I've got an auto-dimming mirror with a rain sensor, and this adapter plugs right into the power port just behind the mirror. Plug and play. No exposed wires, no digging underneath the dash. It's tidy and, more importantly, safe. After connecting the power cord, you're going to connect the power adapter to the cord and choose a spot for installation. I decided to mount ours just to the left of where the rear view mirror is attached to the glass. Now let's mount the dash cam and route the cables. The front cam mounts behind the rear view mirror, discreet but still gets a wide angle. The inside cabin cam is built in, but the rear cam mounts on the rear windshield using adhesive. For cable management, I tucked the wires under the headliner, down the A-pillar, make sure to avoid airbags, and along the trim to the rear of the vehicle. Be sure to leave enough slack in the cables when you mount it to your rear window for when you open and close the lift gate. Here on my Ford, you can see that when I lift up the top glass, the cable extends fully. Here's a look at the video quality. Front cam is super crisp at 4K, interior cam covers the cabin well, and the rear cam helps capture what's going on behind you. I like that it includes GPS, Wi-Fi, and it starts recording automatically when the car is on, thanks to that adapter. If you're on the fence about installing a dash cam, this setup made it incredibly easy. No hardwiring, no headache. Huge thanks to FitDVR for sending these over. If you're interested in checking out the adapter or dash cam, I've got affiliate links in the description. If you buy through them, it supports the channel at no extra cost to you. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more gadget installs, DIYs, and car tech reviews. Thanks.